Hey, it's Haplin, and in this module, I am going to show you how to have AI manage all your conversations for you. So in a previous module, we learned how to turn posts automatically into DM conversations on social media, specifically Facebook and Instagram. And if you're doing that the right way, then you'll probably be gathering email addresses and phone numbers, which get you into SMS conversations. And now we've got a lot to talk about. In order to see this feature, you will need the AI employee activated for the sub account. Click the link below to learn about the AI employee and how to turn that on, but assuming that you do, and you will if you want to get the most out of this, head into your settings in the sub account level and then go to Conversation AI v2. This is where you can build a conversation AI bot just by clicking the create bot. It can do a lot of different things. I'll go ahead and click start from scratch for right now. We give it a name, and then we can dictate which channels it covers. So if we want it to only cover SMS but not Instagram or Facebook, we can do that. We can mix and match, do whatever we want. Now I'm going to gloss over some of the details here just because we've got entire separate playbooks dedicated just to how to use AI inside of High Level. It's a massive topic that I won't be able to do justice in this playbook. But just to give you the quick rundown, we've got bot goals over here, and this is where you write the prompt. If you're familiar with AI prompting or have done that in the past, this should be pretty familiar to you. It can do special actions like appointment setting too if you integrate that with the calendars feature. Calendars is something we'll be learning more about in a future module. You can also test your bot on this page for free, so feel free to have whatever kind of conversation you like with it and dial in the prompt as needed. And then beyond just the prompt, we can head over to bot training, and this is where we can type in a website, and the bot will actually go scrape that website, pull all of the information, written, videos, etc., that it can find, and integrate that into its knowledge so that whenever somebody asks a question about a particular business, it will have all of this knowledge from any given website at its disposal. We can also do specific Q&As here if we want to add a specific, if somebody asks this question, I want you to answer it like this every single time. That's super helpful. Similarly, while you're testing the bot, you can also use the test data to train the bot. So either give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, or you can actually pull up the prompt in a little window here, which will give you kind of an overview of why it gave that answer and allow you to change that if desired. So that is a really quick overview with AI. Obviously, I wasn't able to go super in depth. I have included a link to a help doc article below that will take you more in depth throughout the different settings and various sub features within this conversation AI feature. Just a quick disclaimer before I sign off, there's obviously going to be trade-offs with AI. There are benefits to using it and there are some downsides as well. As time continues to march on, the pros will continue to grow, the cons will continue to shrink, and it's only going to get better and better from here. That said, only you can really decide if conversation AI is going to be right for you or your client's business or not. But this way, at least you know that you have that option available to you. Now that you understand a little bit more about the power of conversation AI in High Level, you can go ahead and move on.